Older, non-articulating fixation devices make it challenging to find the right angle to tack the mesh, which can lead to tacks being fired at an angle, not seating properly against the abdominal wall, and mesh shift. The ReliaTackᵀ device's 65 degrees of articulation delivers superior access, making it possible to achieve perpendicular tack deployment and minimize shift. Minimizing mesh shift and achieving consistent overlap can reduce recurrence rates by up to 14%. The ReliaTackᵀ fixation device's improved access also reduces surgeon discomfort and may eliminate the need for additional contralateral ports, allowing surgeons to fixate the entire mesh from one port, one side of the patient, and one comfortable position. With its unique combination of articulation and screw-like tacks, the ReliaTackᵀ device also provides stronger fixation. Thanks to the ReliaTackᵀ device's ability to articulate, tacks are able to fixate the mesh at a perpendicular angle, which allows the tack's continuous fixation threads to grab more tissue than nail or strap-style tacks. Pair the ReliaTackᵀ device's articulation and stronger fixation with Symbotex's new, easier-to-handle 3D textile and excellent tissue integration,